This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Matthew Zachary. Beautiful first floor condo in the heart of Greenbrier, convenient to shopping, restaurants, and interstate. All on one level, this condo provides easy access without stairs while offering an open floor plan with window from kitchen overlooking the living room with wood-burning fireplace. Easy access from living room to the outdoor fenced patio with a storage shed. This home offers 2 bedrooms with walk-in closets as well as 2 full bathrooms, including the primary bedroom full bathroom. Home has recently been painted as well as some new flooring installed. Come by today, November 26, 2024. For more information, review the details below.